Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio na kanjo ya umuriki wa bajeti gatagati ga thirikari nene na iria cia matura guku Nairobi, rutoigire thirikari nene ni ihotorete kwambika tabarĩra iria ikugacirithia muturire wa Kenya. Oigite he bata thirikari cia matura kurutithania wira na thirikari nene niguo gukinyaniria kioneki giki.
We will have a subsequent meeting to discuss the Big Four agenda by the national government and to rally support from the counties, and I want to thank the governors present here today for the offer they have made to work with us to ensure that we succeed in the delivery of the transformation that we have fashioned around the Big Four agenda items.
Gavana wa Turkana na uria nowe muikariri wa kanjo ya magavana Josphat Nanok niranire gutigirira kioneki gia President Uhuru Kenyatta ni gia kinyanira kuria nake minister wa kigina Henry Rotich oririe governors kunyanyihia mahuthiro mao akiuga bururi ni urahurirwo igutha nene hari ugania wa igoti kumana na uteti uri uragumeire.
Not only to support the four priorities, but all other sectors of the mandates we have, and all authorities in a way that the new thinking of economic blocks comes and takes precedence. It is useful.
Ruto no retie thirikari cia matura kurutithania wira na honge itiganite niguo gukinyaniria kioneki giki kuria oigire ni marathuthuria mathire manene maria maratigirwo thiini wa counties ni governor aria marahagurirwo.
We are all committed to work in utmost good faith to facilitate what the Constitution envisaged, that it will be the engagement between counties and the national government will be that of consultation and cooperation.
Agiaria magwikinyitie mucemanio-ini ucio ni hamwe na Governor Anne Waiguru, Governor Ali Roba, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya kigina Kamau Thuge, mutafaria wa bajeti Agnes Odhiambo gatagati kagi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.